of a dream.
This is the proof of the truth that we boost past the roots to the future high tunes, vibrations infused with the truest. God, I'm saying, who's this? As I move my lips, never dissing. Lessons on the government, don't enlist, why risk? Point the finger, get pissed, track them down and slit. You know where I'm going with it. Let's take a minute and finish why we came to live. That's our business. Spirit lift, ascension, no tension, intervention of soul, transcendent invention of the harness of the third eye light, bringing forth the mic, transmitting the sight as we lighten it up.
So, I ordered some amazing analog hardware, true clones to LA2A and Pultec style EQ. Got them here in these boxes finally. This company is amazing, by the way. They make everything by hand in small batches. They pay close attention to detail. They have great quality control, customer service. The only issue with them is that it's hard to get their products because they sell out so quick. But they're working on that too, the scalability of their website and getting as much out as they can at a time without sacrificing any quality. Cool, looks like this is my Opto LA2A. Awesome. It's very nice card stock, by the way, guys. Cool, they even gave me a koozie, stickers. I'm about it. There she is. Looks like she arrived good. I'll test these guys out soon. But yeah, there she is. What a beaut. So I'll bust these guys out for you in a little bit and actually throw them in this rack here. But first things first. Yeah. And this thing looks solid too. Power cable there. Look at that bad boy. So let me pause this for 1 second and I'll show you guys what's really up with them. Yeah! My EQP-A. Old Pultec style. Buttons are very nice. I'd imagine the vintage units have a little bit more resistance on the buttons, but I really don't care about that. All I care about is the sound, which I will update you guys with here after I get the last piece of gear I need from these guys. Hoping to get lucky here and score one. And the LA2A style Opto. And try it with the manufacturer's settings when I first plug everything in and see, and then adjust from there. By the way, guys, your packaging is phenomenal. This was packed really tight. All these bracings, I'm gonna hold on to these and the boxes in case I need to transport them at a later date because they're really nice, really good quality stuff. That's what I expect for a company with a reputation like they have. Anyway, if you guys are into audio production and you really know what really good vintage gear is, then you know what an LA2A is and you know what a Pultec EQ is. These things live up to the name. And I'm going to show you why as soon as I have a chance to throw these guys in this one here. Alright, I just want to say one more thing about these units. These AudioScape units arrived in perfect condition, immaculate. I mean, you can tell they're fresh off the line. They're packaged perfectly, and there's just like, it is just nice. Like every single little thing about it. The attention to detail is unbelievable. Look at this thing. Look at that light fixture. You tell me that's not gorgeous. I mean, absolutely beautiful pieces of technology, guys. Power of Sonic Truth. So we're gonna have the Power of Truth album recorded on gear that slogan is powered by Sonic Truth. So that will be definitely true in this situation. Not every track's gonna be recorded on it because 3 of them are already mastered, but yeah, the rest of them are, and it's gonna be dope.
Blessed rhyming, about to shining with the versatile styling, breaking it down, then breaking up, piling, building up mileage. Wisdom is my pilot, my guide through this wildness. Realness is divine, feel it inside, then don't pretend, not your highness, only mine in the end. Climb the mountain, then descend the waterfall, transcend to defend the cascades, making waves with the splash, crashing down to the masses. Then it passes with the wind in effect.